Given below is the block diagram of digital pH meter. Identify the unmarked component. A. Filter. B. Buffer. C. AD converter. D. DA converter. The correct answer is AD converter. Schmidt triggers are followed by which of the following components? A. Preamplifier. B. Linear amplifier. C. Anti-coincidence circuit. D. Discriminator. The correct answer is anti-coincidence circuit. In vibrating condenser amplifier type pH meter, to maintain good performance, which of the following has to be done? A. Frequency of the vibrator should be stable. B. Frequency of the vibrator should be constant. C. Amplitude of the vibrator should be constant. D. Both frequency and amplitude of the vibrator should be constant and stable. The correct answer is both frequency and amplitude of the vibrator should be constant and stable. Which of the following is not a failure in pH meters? A. Defective electrodes. B. Defective input circuitry. C. Defective electronic circuitry. D. Defective calibration. The correct answer is defective calibration. The pulses having amplitudes between the two triggering levels are given by which of the following components? A. Preamplifiers. B. Linear amplifiers. C. Anti-coincidence circuits. D. Discriminators. The correct answer is discriminators. Which of the following is not the characteristic of null detector type pH meter? A. It can be battery operated. B. It has less accuracy. C. It is easy to maintain. D. Its electronic circuits are simple. The correct answer is it has less accuracy. Which of the following is not the characteristic of chopper amplifier pH meter? A. Direct voltage from the electrodes is chopped at the main frequency. B. Using choppers for high input resistance gives rise to spikes of waveforms at the output. C. It leads to stability in DC output of phase-sensitive rectifier. D. Magnitude of surge increases in the glass electrode output. The correct answer is it leads to stability in DC output of phase-sensitive rectifier. Which of the following is not the characteristic of direct reading type pH meters? A. Simple operation. B. Quick to use. C. Continuous indication output. D. It requires balancing process. The correct answer is it requires balancing process. Which of the following is the simplest of pH meters? A. Null detector type pH meter. B. Direct reading type pH meter. C. Digital pH meter. D. Modern pH meter. The correct answer is null detector type pH meter. Which of the following is the function of the discriminator? A. Rejects signals below a certain voltage. B. Rejects signals above a certain voltage. C. Rejects signal in a range alone. D. Filters noise alone. The correct answer is rejects signals below a certain voltage. A discriminator circuit is which of the following circuits? A. Wheatstone bridge. B. Instrumentation amplifier. C. Astable multivibrator. D. Schmidt trigger. The correct answer is Schmidt trigger. Which of the following can be used to provide automatic temperature compensation? A. Proper insulation. B. Calibration for different temperatures. C. Thermistor. D. Thermometer. The correct answer is thermistor. In which of the following ways can zero drift be reduced in pH meters? A. Using filter. B. Giving zero adjustment arrangement. C. Keeping the input impedance high. D. Using balanced and differential amplifiers. The correct answer is using balanced and differential amplifiers. In which of the following ways can the disadvantages of chopper amplifier type pH meter be overcome? A. Using zero-corrected DC amplifier. B. Using modern design. C. Using digital design. D. Using vibrating condenser. The correct answer is using vibrating condenser. The electrodes used in pH measurement have which of the following internal resistances? A. Very low resistance. B. Moderate resistance. C. Very high resistance. D. No resistance. The correct answer is very high resistance. The difference between the pulses having amplitudes between the two triggering levels is called A. Pulse width. B. Energy gap. C. Window width. D. Amplitude variation. The correct answer is window width. If an instrument fails to balance at zero, it is most likely that the electrodes are defective. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. The zero stability of vibrating condenser amplifier type pH meter is much better than a direct coupled amplifier. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.